My name is Daryl Lueck. I'm with the Bank of Montreal. I'm a Vice President and Lead Technology Officer within the Product Operations Group within BMO Harris. We support about 600 branches within the U.S. We represent about $195 billion in assets. BMO Harris had a major problem in the retention of data that we use on a day-to-day basis. We're a highly regulated industry with financial institutions. We have data requirements that range from 7 to 10 years. And we have a history of doing mergers and acquisitions where we picked up other financial institutions. With each one of those mergers, we end up getting more and more data. We have to consolidate that data because we were keeping legacy applications as we did this mergers and acquisitions. Trying to pull all that data into one repository where we could sunset the legacy application, reduce the cost, and make it simpler for our users so they had one source to go to instead of going to multiple applications was a challenge. We were able to implement the EMC InfoArchive solution in a minimal amount of time with short turnaround, combining all of our systems, consolidating data, and providing a simple, easy-to-use user interface with a single source for the application data. I think the key features that we've used in the InfoArchive product there's two major ones. One is the easy ability to get data into the application. We didn't have to spend a lot of time in doing ELT scripts or getting source code and trying to understand the data and port all the data over. Very easy to get data into the application. And then the second piece is that we were able to use custom screens for the users to access the information. Because getting it into the solution is one thing, but you have to be able to access it and get the information out for our users. After implementation with the project, BMO Harris was able to realize an immediate savings of $5 million per year with ongoing reductions in the same ballpark due to reduced licensing, infrastructure costs, support costs ongoing. So it's had a great payback for us, as well as meeting the regulatory requirements. The relationship with EMC has been great. I think one of the key things that we talk about is that infamous partner word, and we want to make sure it really was a partnership. They understood exactly what our mission was. We understood what they brought to the table. We were able to work with EMC and Flatirons to get both of those groups working together with us. It's very rare in a project of this size and scope that you're able to hit all the requirements and get them all done and come in under budget and ahead of schedule. So it was a great project for us. I would absolutely recommend EMC and in particular the InfoArchive solution